Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. So in this video we're going to talk about agriculture and food technology courses available in New Zealand. We will be discussing about the university names and the courses provided by the particular universities. So as per the recent research which we have done, there are like 23 courses for agriculture, food technology and biotechnology, which is like 9 courses for agriculture, 6 courses for biotechnology and 8 courses in total for food technology. There are more than 50 plus courses available for PG diploma and for in food technology and related courses like for consumer science, wine making, nursery, for agriculture, etc. PG diploma courses mostly have 1 year stay back, whereas for a master course it has 3 years of stay back in New Zealand. Total expenditure for a master's in New Zealand might cost up to 16 lakhs to 38 lakhs. The following are the list of courses available in New Zealand to do your master's in food technology or agriculture. At the University of Canterbury, you can find the courses which are related to forestry science, in biotechnology and in cellular and molecular biology. Where it comes to Lincoln University, it has courses like management in agricultural systems, commerce in agriculture, precision agriculture, horticultural science, agricultural science, in food innovation, in wine and viticultural related courses. At the University of Otago, there are courses like applied science, plant biotechnology, applied science, molecular biotechnology, food science, consumer food science, etc. When it comes to University of Auckland, it has courses like biotechnology or bioinformatics, food science, wine science. These are the courses which are available in University of Auckland. University of Auckland is really famous for its food related courses and it is very much rated university. And at the University of Massey, there are courses like agricultural sciences, agribusiness, horticultural sciences, animal science, food technology, etc. And the University of Victoria University of Wellington has biotechnology related courses. Also Nelson Marlbrook Institute of Technology has wine, business and innovation related courses. So these are the major courses available in New Zealand for your masters in food technology or agriculture. So if you like this video, share it with your friends as well who are aspiring to do a masters in abroad, any countries where Europe or in New Zealand. So we do informative videos regarding the same in this channel, so you can follow our content for the same if you're aspiring for an masters abroad. So that's all about today's video. Thanks for watching and have a nice time.